Hi YouTube, my name is Sherry. In today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing and I want to get right to the unboxing, but before I do I want to show you my outfit and let you know that I did hack another YouTuber's outfit that she posted on her video today. I'm going to share her video in my description box. Her name is Mo Knows Beauty and she had on a very similar outfit such as this one with a black top with hearts, a little cami under, a necklace that says love. Mine says Barbie, but I wanted to copy her look today. She had on a red maroon type of lip and she also has on her glasses. I do wear glasses but only for reading, but I'm going to get my glasses so that I can copy her look 100%. Alright you guys, so how do I look in my glasses? They are a bit of a cat eye or cat eye shape. So I want to go ahead and get right to this unboxing. I have the item right here in this box. It is from Louis Vuitton. Of course, as you can tell by the description, it's not open, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this off and skip right to the unboxing. Alright you guys, so here is the box right here, and I think some of you will probably not be surprised by this item. Let me go ahead and open it. I think judging by my videos, you can kind of already suspect that this was coming. I have shared this item and not this item, but I have talked about this similar item in other videos. And they have this wrapped pretty good. I actually wasn't expecting for it to come gift wrapped, because they didn't give me the option. Can you guess what this is? Any guesses? Any guesses what this is? Alright. Alright you guys, I can't get this out of here fast enough. Look at that. Look at that. This is the Speedy 20. And I have talked about this, not this particular bag, but I have talked about my Speedy 25 and how I feel about that bag and how I didn't like the stripe on the side. I actually just did a video on that probably about a month ago. And I've also done a video comparing my Speedy 25 without the bandolier to my Coach bag. And I was saying that if Louis Vuitton came out with a bag like this size, it would be perfect for me, you guys. And I heard about this bag coming out and I jumped on it because I had to have it. This was the bag I had been dreaming about. I know the strap is in the bag. The hardware looks amazing. And I got the black strap. I don't have anything to put this on. Let me move my Coach bag here. Put that there for a minute. I got the black strap. I felt like this strap was a little bit more compatible with my other black bags because I do have other intentions of wearing this strap with my other bags, and I'm going to show you those bags in a second, but let's get to this. I want to put it on here. I know hot pink is definitely a color that I'm drawn to, but I didn't feel like that color strap, I could utilize it with my other bags. And not that I couldn't, but I just didn't want that color in the strap. Not with the red interior. I don't know. Something about it I just did not like. Here we are. This looks great. It is a made in US bag. Alright. I'm going to put it on. And this sits pretty high up on my body. I'm going to have to insert a clip of what this looks like on me. Okay. As you've seen, it has the red interior. The lock and key is here. There is a pocket. I'm so glad that this pocket does not have a zipper because I hate the new one with the zipper. And then it has the tags that come in the bag. Perfect size. You guys, this is like the perfect size here. And I do have my other Speedies available, but I don't feel like grabbing those to make this video too long. But I want to do this unboxing. Alright, you guys, so this is my Coach bag that I was talking about, and this is the Coach Mini Bennett Satchel. Like I said, I recently did a video comparing this to my Speedy 25, but look at this. And the Mini Bennett Satchel was actually slightly larger. And again, this bag, I think now the newer version comes without the strap, but I wanted to show you that. Alright, you guys, and this is me, of course, comparing it with the Speedy 25 and saying that I wasn't going to do it, but here you go. In case someone is watching this video and you are curious. Alright. And for anyone who is interested in a different strap being on this bag, I'm going to take this strap off. For some people, this strap might be a bit short. I know where the bag hits me, it's not the most ideal, but I would still wear it with that strap because I do like the strap. I'm going to put on my Pochette Matisse strap. And I think that the strap from the Speedy Bandolier 25 would actually go really good on this bag. So this is the bag with my Pochette Matisse strap. I think this size is a good size for anyone who has the Pochette Matisse. Let me change my strap length on this bag. Well, let me see if this will work. No, I have to change the strap length. Alright, so I've changed my strap length and I'm going to do some mod shots of how this looks with the strap changed out. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's perfect. I love it. Alright, you guys, so one of the reasons why I got the black strap is because of this little cutie right here. I really felt like this strap would go perfect on this bag. So I'm going to hook this on here. Now I know I said I would probably never carry this bag as like a shoulder bag. I would do it as a crossbody or a handheld. But with this strap, I actually think I would carry it as a crossbody. And I'll do the mod shots of what this looks like. I actually love where this hits because of the height of the bag is a oblong shaped. So it actually looks and feels really comfortable, really good. But I love, love, love this strap, you guys. I love it. Alright, you guys, so I have my Felici Pochette. And when I saw this strap, I automatically knew this right here was the one I wanted to get. Because I already know I will be wearing it with this bag. Something about this bag and these colors I really, really, really liked. And this one would probably go really good with the white version. Actually, you know what? They don't have a white version. Take that back. The Vanity PM. Sorry if that light is a little difficult, making it hard to see. But I really love this. I'll try to get mod shots with this as well. So that's this. Alright, you guys, and since I did show my Speedy 25 compared to the Speedy 20, I wanted to show my Speedy Nano. This still has the strap. It is just tucked inside the bag. That's how I store it. Okay. So I'll try to put all three up together. This is a little difficult. It's challenging. Can't do it, but we can do it side by side. So I do now have all three, but we shall see what shall happen to this one. Alright you guys, that is it for my unboxing. It was longer than I expected of this cute little Speedy 20. Let me know what you all think of this. Is this something that you would get or add to your collection? Or are you like, no, I'm done with Louis Vuitton and their prices and their quality? What do you think, guys? She's definitely a keeper. Definitely going to keep this because this is the bag that I've been dreaming for. This one hits all the marks when it comes to a monogram bag that I would want, especially with the Vachetta, because I know sometimes people don't like the Vachetta, but this right here, this gives me everything I'm looking for from the opening. I love it. This is perfect size for me. I love it. Alright guys, that's my video. I'll see you all in the next one. And don't forget to check out Mo Knows Beauty, whose look I did hack for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you to my new subscribers. Thank you to my old subscribers. And I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.